Hello and welcome to Eat Your Backyard. I hope you will subscribe and also check out my original music on Jedi Jingle Maker. It's also on all the other music platforms. But we're looking at a sea grape today. Let's talk about sea grapes. Isn't it amazing that this plant has such rigid leaves that are used as actually ceremonial plates in some cultures? But another interesting factor is that it has these red veins. Look at the redness of that. That is actually used as dyes, which is incredible, a natural dye. But you can see it is coloring the spines of all of these, I don't know if that's the right word, the spines, the veins, better word, veins of this sea grape. This is one I trimmed back severely, and as sea grapes do, they grow right back vigorously. Nothing but sprouts. Easy to keep this one pruned if you stay on top of it, and it looks great.